What are we doing here?
We're going to transfer, so we don't get no battery message on the phone. We are going to transfer the original flex cable from this battery to that one.
What iPhone does this do?
This is for an iPhone 12.
It's a normal 12. That's such a little battery. That makes your phone last all day. 2800 milliamp.
These ones might be a little smaller than what that one is. That might be the larger capacity.
Don't look very big.
This one is 2815.
2815.
It's the same size.
Seems a bit small. That's so you don't get a battery message?
Yep. And you can still see your battery health then too.
You used to just plug it into a machine, didn't you?
Yep. Not no more.
Oh man. You used to just cut it apart. You've done this before.
A few times.
Now we're gonna. Can you turn the TV on?
Give me 1 second.
Yeah, now we're on the TV. Is that all just one? I seen 4 dots on there. So there's a sensor in that somewhere that tells the iPhone. And no one can copy it and put it on aftermarket battery?
Nope. They're like basically serialized.
Oh, jeez. You still use that machine to do the battery? The machine that just copies it for you?
No. That method no longer works anymore.
Oh, they updated it?
Yeah, Apple knew what repair shops were doing, so they put a stop to it in one of the updates.
Now you just do this. So it's basically a positive and a negative then?
Yeah, those are the positive and negative terminals, but the board has like chips and stuff on them that are recognized by the phone.
Yeah, I was thinking there's got to be a way for it to know how full it is, and not like a car battery.
I'm gonna leave that one there. So I'm gonna take this.
Cut it apart. Did it ever not line up?
Yeah, they're usually pretty good with it.
Oh, jeez. You're coming too short.
It'll be alright.
Flux. That is flux, right? Yeah, it's flux. It's called flux still, isn't it?
Yep.
What's this new tool you have? That's a little dinky thing. I haven't seen this one. And you're soldering that on, but we'll watch it over here. You know, kind of watch it over here. You're out of focus. And you're using your breathing apparatus so you don't get
Negative.
This. No, for camera and safety reasons. Goes right up in your nose. But he's breathing out his ears right now, so we're good. I'd be afraid to blow the battery up with the heat of the soldering iron. What solder you use?
Got it from China.
Oh, you only did one little dab on that bottom part? It's ready to just go in there? Very nice. Serial numbered. How ridiculous. You buy a special kit for that?
It comes all in it.
They know you're going to do that then.
Hmm.
They know you're going to switch that over then because they give you fresh stickers.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.
And this is the little programmer to help.
Can't wait till they add a normal zoom on this thing instead of digital zoom.
Ta-da!